How to recover or reset your Shopee account password. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In today's video, I will simply guide you on how you can go ahead and recover the password for your Shopee account if you happen to forget them. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, the very first thing you have to do is whether you're on PC or whether you're on a mobile device, it doesn't really matter. As long as you have your browser, just open it up and then just type in shopee.com. Once you type in shopee.com, you'll come to this web address bar. I'll make sure to drop a direct link down below. And then here, first of all, select a region where you're currently using the Shopee from. And then after I select my region over here, on the very top right hand side, you'll be able to find two options such as sign up or login. And since we're here to recover our password, we're going to go to the login page by just clicking on the option called login. Now, the problem over here seems to be that if you had remembered your phone number, your username or your email, you should be able to enter your password and then log into your account. But since we are trying to reset our password, just click on the little blue button that says forgot password from the bottom left of the login button. Once you tap on the forgot password, it will ask you to enter the email address or the phone number that was associated with your Shopee account. And then you also want to make sure that you have access to either your phone or email, because if you don't, you will not be able to get the verification link. Once you enter your email, just hit the next option. It will ask you to verify a certain puzzle just to verify that you're a real human being and not a bot crawling through the web. And then after you've done that, it says that a verification email has been sent to this email. So what you need to do is just log in to that specific email service, whether it is Yahoo, Hotmail, Outlook or Gmail that you are currently using, and then wait for the verification link from Shopee. If you don't receive it, you can go to the all inboxes or even the spam folder. So as you can see over here, I have received a Shopee password reset link. I'll just open this mail, and here you will find this blue link in a series of letters and numbers. Just click on the specific link. It will redirect you to a new tab where you can simply enter your new password without having to remember your old password. This time, make sure that you choose a strong password, but at the same time, make sure that you also do not forget it. And then just hit the continue button from the bottom. Once you've done that, you can successfully log in back into your Shopee account. And that's all it takes to reset your Shopee account password. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.